Look at our chef of the day. Money is going to be making. What are you making?
Pasta.
She wants to make us pasta. Maybe we see whether the food will let us shop. We have all our ingredients here. She's cutting the onions. We have Maggi, tomatoes, oil, pasta, salt, and some cooking cream, and also our bacon bits.
To be leaving the pasta in the pot so that it can cook, and after I'm going to be making the sauce.
Okay, now.
Something so good.
Food when never done. I just scent so good. Meanwhile, the pasta is cooking there. Look at me, I was not filming, I was just talking. Oh God.
But you film when I put Maggi?
I don't even know. Meanwhile, check on your parts to see if it's ready.
Okay.
But you don't have to overcook that.
It's almost.
It's ready, I think. Yeah, it's ready. So she's turning it now. Our chef of the day. So what are you going to be adding now?
I'm going to be adding cream.
Okay, this is a cooking cream. Look at the mess Harmony did. Poured everything on the ground. Our chef of the day is a messy chef. You are laughing. You think it's funny.
What did you do to do that?
You have to be careful. Look at everywhere. See. Taste to see if you need to add any more salt, but I don't think so. Because that bacon bit already contains salt.
Let me try.
Ali. It's hot, see. They do like Oyinbo, they put this thing for mouth. If you need doing that, you rinse it before you put it back there, because you are not the only one that is eating this food.
10 out of 10 is perfect.
For your mind. For your mind, though. So guys, lunch is ready. Chef Harmony made us lunch for our mind.
When you finish eating, you tell me how many stars you bring me.
Ma first eat the food before I rate and fair. So let me come and taste it and see. So delicious.
Mommy said what?
So delicious, Mama.
Thank you, Mommy.
Mommy is excited.
It means I make it well.
You tried, Mama.
Thank you, Mommy.
You did a great job.